Right. Hi guys! Today I'm going to talk about Kanban. Kanban is a way of doing project management, usually used with IT projects. At the moment, it's how I am organising my whole life. So, Kanban could also be called organising by sticky notes. So, this is my home Kanban. I also behind it have my work Kanban, which is secret, well, company confidential. And it's quite nice actually, because it means I can use my notebooks but throw away the sticky notes, and I don't keep any company information on me when I leave jobs. So my home Kanban, at the moment it's getting to the messy stage. I find the thing with Kanban is I need to start a new one and just start afresh every now and again. To be fair, I'm the sort of person who does that anyway. So the way I use my Kanban is basically I have two different colours of sticky notes. Well, I have lots of different colours of sticky notes, but at the moment I have work related ones in green and home related ones in pink. And down here is my partner's away for the weekend, and it was 4 things that I had to get done this weekend, which I haven't. I haven't done a single one of them. I'm filming this at 7:45 on Sunday, so I only have a couple of hours to do those 4 things. The way a lot of Kanbans work is you have your backlog. When you're doing software projects, your backlog is a list of everything that needs to be done. So basically, any time I think I need to do this task, I'll put it on here. I've got a vague system, so this is I need to edit a podcast. I've put things into different projects. So I've got podcasting, Vlogmas, PMQ, because I'm putting together a program for the PMQ at the moment, my degree, which I do need to study for. NaNoWriMo, that's in November, National Novel Writing Month, which family and home, again though, I've kind of put them in pink. And Buzz, anything to do with my business sort of expenses, faffing around, stuff like that. So I put the category there, then I put the date that it's due, a couple of days. Priority, so 2 means you should do this, 1 means do this now, and then it's a vague system, and then the title in the middle. A list of emails to do, that one is very old, and things to do with my podcast just more generically. So that's my backlog. So you can do this in a few ways. Basically, I've done mine backwards, so hopefully that'll make it easier for me to explain to you backwards. So on this side you have your backlog, so these are things that need to be done at some point, and then you put in other characters so they'll move across. I'm going from right to left because I'm backwards. Most people do it from left to right, Then once you've got the middle ones, then on the left there's some quite common things. So I have got waiting on others. Up next, send in my fellowship application, has been sitting there for a month. Email people about cars. I don't actually know what that one even is. I finished that one. Brilliant. So that's done. So my current task is done. I try to make these the right size so that you can only have one current task. Because I'm the sort of person who does a lot of things at once. And up next, again, I should only have one there, but actually I don't even know what that one is, so I'm going to take it off. And then waiting on others, obviously you may end up with more things there. And then I've also got a to define bit up here, which is one's tasks which I haven't quite worked out what I'm doing. So up there I've got whether I want to start a Udemy course, make some summaries of speeches you could make. I'd like to do some more public speaking. And some other stuff that's been waiting for ages. Too much to do. Anyway, if you're using this in a project, you may have which people it's with. Say you've got a task that needs to go through a specific process. You could have each person that it goes through, or each department. For my ones also, sometimes, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll categorise them in slightly different ways. And that's it really. Let me know if you like the Kanban, like and comment below. How do you organise your time? How do you make sure you've got your to-do list kind of in one place, especially when it's one that has loads of different tasks in there? Press the bell if you want to hear more from me, and goodbye.
Thanks for watching my video. This is my kitten Beatrice. I've put her here as a thank you for watching, and this is my first video, and thanks for getting all the way through. I have cringed so much editing this. If you want to see how I grow as a video person thing, like and subscribe. Bye!